Culinary program teaches you how to be a better chef. It also helps you to get your manager serve safe, so that way when I leave this program, I can go and get a manager's job in any kitchen.
I never worked in the kitchen until I got here, so everything was new for me. And my supervisor, anytime I needed help with anything, he would show me how to do things or cut things properly.
We go over different safety techniques of the kitchen. We also go over temperature-wise of food, like the pork should be at 145, but since it was stuffed, it should be at 165.
Sunday we come in and we freshly prep everything for the week, and then
serving them one after another. It's roughly around
up to 80 firefighters. Go on incidents, we get a lot of people that come in and out, and we have to feed them.
On incident, we could reach up to 500 to 600 people.
We feed them breakfast and dinner, pretty much cooking all week.
And you can kind of see the juices coming.
It shows me the rush of a kitchen and how to be persistent and on time with the food.
Anything we need help with, we help each other with the best we can. And it's always cool because we all come from different backgrounds or places, so we get to learn new techniques in the kitchen.
Just seeing the enjoyment of people eating my food and being happy about it, that's my favorite part of the process.